Okay, so today is a special day because I reached 10,000 subscribers this morning. It was actually like at 2 o'clock or sometime in the middle of the night. Like I was saying, I'm so happy. I'm so tired and I don't know if y'all can see it in my face, but I went to sleep at like 5 o'clock this morning because I was up watching Queen Sugar. But anyways, thank y'all for 10,000 subscribers. I'm just so appreciative. It's not easy to reach 10,000 subscribers at all. So I'm very proud of myself for, you know, being consistent. I'm proud of myself for actually, you know, deciding on this is what I want to do and actually doing it. And to celebrate, I'm going to go pick up some champagne because we getting drunk. I'm going to go ship off this hair to this company. I was supposed to do a collaboration with them, but it ended up not working out. I didn't really like the quality of the hair and the wig didn't even fit my head. So while I got y'all here, I am doing a giveaway. I know I have some guys on my channel, but sorry, this is really gonna be for the girls. So the giveaway is gonna be all of the tools and products that I use to straighten and do my hair. I'm gonna talk to y'all later about this because my mind is everywhere. Ciao. I don't ever want to have to ship anything internationally again. That was just a whole different level of stress. But now I'm on the way to Kroger. I just wanted to say that I know that starting something new or like going after your passions, it can be scary sometimes. Well, a lot of the times. It can kind of be scary because you're scared that you're going to fail at something, or I mean, you're just not going to be great at it. But just do it because, I mean, what else are you here on earth for besides to follow your dreams? And just do what you want to do. I don't know, reaching 10,000 subscribers just, I mean, I knew it before, but it just made me realize how capable I am of doing anything that I put my mind to. I probably have a lot of subscribers who want to be YouTubers. And I see all the time, like a lot of people put YouTuber in their bio, or they'll put their YouTube channel link in their bio and they never post a video. Y'all, just do it because you know you want to do it. It's just like any other social media platform. It's just like having an Instagram account. It's just like having a Twitter account. It's just like having TikTok. You're just sharing your life. I didn't make my YouTube to blow up and become YouTube famous or whatever. I mean, if that happens, then great. I love that for me. I mean, that's the goal now. But when I started, I didn't make my YouTube channel to be like a YouTube star. I just made it because I wanted another outlet to express myself. Like, I feel like I have a lot to offer the world, and you do too. So I just feel like, yeah, if you want to make a YouTube channel, make it. It's not about having the perfect aesthetic. It's not about making trendy videos. It's not about going viral. It's about expressing yourself and doing what you want to do and just sharing that with the world. I mean, then some people don't do it just because they don't have time. I mean, everybody don't have the same schedule, so I understand that. But it's a lot of people that's just scared to start because they don't want to go through the awkward phase and not having no subscribers, or they feel like nobody's gonna watch their videos. Do it for you, not for others. When you do stuff for others, then it don't even feel right. It don't even be working out for real. Don't be scared to start. I need to take my own advice because it's a lot of things that I want to do. Like posting more Instagram content. My boyfriend brought this to my attention the other day. So he was just like, why don't I imagine if I like, you know, went hard on Instagram and, you know, made Instagram content for real. And I was just like, I did kind of get defensive. I already had plans for myself, and I don't like when people think that I'm not thinking ahead. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, I got kind of defensive when he brought it up, and I was scared to admit that I was wrong when he told me I was getting defensive. But yeah, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. What was the point of me saying this? Oh, just starting. Like, if I want to grow bigger on my platforms, I need to start creating content on Instagram and TikTok and blah, 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 blah. And it's not that I don't plan on doing it. Y'all should see the plans that I have in my head, in my notes. I got to get out of my own head. So yeah, I got to remember that I need to do it for me. If I don't get these ideas out of my head, I'm going to drive myself crazy. So yeah, I'm going to start doing that. I guess that'll be my goals for April. I'm going to include that into my goals. But yeah, I hope this, inspires someone, gave someone the motivation to start their YouTube channel today. I'm going to give y'all a few video ideas. So you can always start with a Q&A. You can do a little vlog. My first video was a vlog, which is simple. I know it's kind of scary to record in public, but nobody be paying attention. Somebody will look at you and see you. And I mean, it's people that you don't know. Might look at you for a few seconds and be like, what is she doing? And go about their day. No one cares. It's so many things to make content out of. You can do like inspirational videos. You can do a mukbang. Some people like eating on camera. I mean, if you like provide a service, if you do eyelashes, you can make a video recording that. You can, if you do nails, make a video showing how you do nails. Like, take whatever you already do and make content out of it. So yeah, I hope that helps. Don't be scary, just start. Let me go inside this store. Look at these beautiful flowers. They are only $6. Literally cost nothing to make yourself happy or your girlfriend happy. Why would they sell me these? These are hydrangeas. Hey y'all, it's me. So like I said earlier, the giveaway is going to be all of the tools and products I use to do my hair, which includes the RX7 Super Light Advanced Flat Iron, some BioSilk Silk Therapy, shampoo, conditioner, and serum, a brush and a comb, some Tresemme Heat Protectant Spray, some duck clips, wrap and bobby pins, and a robe and a bonnet. So all you have to do to win, or to be entered, is you must be subscribed to my channel. You have to follow me on IG. You can like and comment on 3 videos, and it can be anything. It can be an emoji. I really don't care. Then when you're done, just come here and comment your name, your Instagram handle, and your email. And also go to 30p. I'll include her Instagram on the screen. But go here and tell me what color and size robe and bonnet you want. And that's all, y'all. It's real simple. So yeah, enter if you want to win.
On a desktop or your iPad and use it for business, because the person was like, a lot of people's businesses run on Instagram and shit like that, and he was like, but if you think about it, what do you think the corporations are doing? Yeah, like people, big fake people. He was like, they have a whole team, they treat it like a business, they don't treat it. He said if you need it professionally, then use it professionally.
Yeah.
He said there's no reason why you should be on your toilet typing up stuff to go on your page. That's not how it go. Like, you should consider it as work, because if you integrate it with your real life, you get fucked up. Basically, he said if you want to clear out, you gotta go at least a month with no social media, like clear it out, clear the addiction, and then use it responsibly. Like, if you have to use it, use what you need.
That makes sense.
Okay.
Oh, this is my brother Jerome.
Hey.
They know the vibes.
I had to do this because my lips are ashy. But I just want y'all to see how thin my hair has gotten. It's from flat ironing it too much. It's probably don't look thin to y'all, but I can feel it and I can see a difference. Mwah. Oh, thank you. Crazy girl, crazy girl. Girl, these jeans are sending me. We at Wild Crab, y'all.
That's fine, maybe. I'm getting married.
Stop
This
it,
ain't-
girl. Girl, get the fuck. This is not me.
Maybe say it's my birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Navy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
You shy?
You shy? You better hey! You better turn up on your birthday.
Why are you so pretty? Look at this. Thank you.
Yes, I had to call them. Hey, what's your address? I got stopped by the police. They want to get y'all too.
Oh, this is my song right here. They done fucked up.
Why would me have me with my legs that ashy? That was in down. Show you my costume. Look at that view. I said I was gonna make up some shit. I was a flower child. I was a maid. I'm a maid for real.
Good, that Goodwill that was next to the churches.
Yeah, the newspaper.
That's the one.
Any appetizer or anything for you?
No, was I already ordered?
Oh, sorry.
You ordered already?
I want a pound of snow crab.
House.
Yeah, wild crab house hot.
You can have the same exact thing as her.
Thank you. They just playing all my songs.
You want to buy maybe a baby too?
It's okay.
I want to see if I can click her tag because I still put Demiya Bernard.
He fucking that shit up. Oh, God. Stop, y'all. Y'all are being mean. Eat. Ugly.
Hey, brand new college boys in, come doing it for minutes. Safe to say I earned it. Whoa.
Like, no, let me hear it one more time.
It was about 5 minutes ago.
That's it. I had to see that. Y'all can never seen before. Jerome, shut up.
Let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. I wanna be where you are. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I think that I should stop by saying, yo. You wanna do everything you want to, man. You got the holler here. You got the holler. Y'all better stop that fake moaning. You better pull that nigga closer and say, boo. I bet they turn the fuck up if you do that to them.